anayeoa huyo msichana ni familia yake. Sasa unapata hakuna sheria inachukuliwa kwa sababu wanataka kuongea kinyumbani.
Hawa watoto Mungu amekupatia wewe. Usipowachunga wewe hawa watoto, serikali itakuuliza mbona hujachunga hawa watoto. Na serikali wakishindwa kukuuliza mbona hujachunga hawa watoto, naye Mwenyezi Mungu atakuuliza mbona hujachunga hawa watoto.
This year, for example, we have had cases of 163 girls attending school and doing their final examinations with pregnancy. So these are critical data that is causing us jitters. And as a county, we are proud that we have the first anti-FGM policy.
We had committed to end FGM by 2022, but what I can say is that we have made great progress. And as we move into 2023, we want to put the gear very high. And our girls are at home now for the next, I think now we have 1 month, 3 weeks. They are very much at risk of FGM and child marriage and teenage pregnancies. And so what we are doing as government is to work together with our NGOs and county governments, that's the national government and county governments.